Good morning, friends. Today I will teach you the synthesis of alpha cedrine, beta cedrine, caryophyllene, and parthenolide from FBP. So, first, let us see the synthesis of caryophyllene from FBP. Okay, first, draw the structure of FBP. Step first is the loss of OPP and we get the allyl carbocation. Here positive charge, here double bond. Okay. And this is structure of farnesyl cation. Next, these bonds shifted here and stabilize the carbocation and we get the structure here positive charge and here double bond. Okay. Next, these pi bond shifted here and stabilize the secondary carbocation and we get the structure here 4-member ring from 1, 2, 3, 4. Here positive charge. Okay. And here double bond. Next, the loss of proton and stabilize the tertiary carbocation and we get the structure of caryophyllene or caryophyllene. Okay, and this is structure of caryophyllene. Okay. Now next we will see the synthesis of alpha cedrine, beta cedrine from FPP. First, draw the structure of FPP. Step first, loss of OPP and formation of allyl carbocation. Here positive charge, here double bond. Okay. And this is structure of farnesyl cation. Next, these pi bond attack on here and stabilize the positive charge and the formation of 6-member cyclic ring. Here positive charge. Okay, here double bond. And this is structure of Bisaboli cation. Bisaboli cation. Okay. Next step is a 1,2 hydride shift or 1,2 hydrogen shift. 1 here 2. This hydrogen shifted here and stabilize the positive charge, and we get the structure like this. Here positive charge. Okay. Next, this pi bond attack on here and stabilize the positive charge, and we get the structure here positive charge. Okay. Next, this pi bond attack on here and stabilize the positive charge, and we get the structure here positive charge. Okay. In this structure, there are loss of two choice of proton. First is Ha proton and second is Hb proton. Okay. So first, loss of Ha proton, we get the structure of alpha sidrine. This bond shifted here and stabilized the positive charge. Here a double bond CH3. Okay, and this is structure of alpha sidrine. And this structure draw in another way like this. One, two, three, four, five. Okay, 5 member here CH3. Here also 5 member 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here CH3, CH3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 member rings. Here double bond CH3. Okay. Next, the loss of Hb proton and stabilize the positive charge, and we get the structure of beta sidrine. Here double bond. Okay, and this is structure of beta sidrine. And this structure draw in another way like this. Okay, this is structure of beta citrin. Now next we will see the synthesis of parthenolide from FPP. Okay, first draw the structure of FPP. Step first is the loss of OPP and we get the allylic carbocation. Here double bond. Okay. Next, these pi bond attack on here and stabilize the positive charge and we get the structure here positive charge. Okay. And this is structure of germacryl cation. Okay. Next, the loss of proton and stabilize the tertiary carbocation and we get the structure of germacryl A. Loss of proton and stabilize the tertiary carbocation. Here double bond. Okay, and this is structure of germacryl A. Okay, next step is the oxidation by using NADPH. Okay, oxidation of this methyl group. Here OH. Here double bond. Okay. Next, the oxidation of this alcohol by using NADP plus. Okay, it is a oxidizing agent. And oxidation of alcohol, primary alcohol is converted into aldehyde. Okay. Next step is oxidation by this aldehyde group and is converted into acid form. Okay. Here C double bond OH. Okay. Aldehyde is converted into acid form. And this structure draw in another way like this. here the oxidation of aldehyde and this CH2 group. Okay, here OH. Next step is loss of water molecule. Lone pair of oxygen attack here and loss of OH. And OH minus abstract this hydrogen and stabilize the positive charge on oxygen atom. Okay, and formation of lactone ring. Okay, and this is structure of costanolyte. Okay, next step is enzymatic epoxidation. And formation of parthenolide structure. Okay, here the epoxidation of this double bond and we get the structure of parthenolide. Okay, sorry, here epoxide. And this is structure of parthenolide.